The incremental readings. Let's continue the project of the Rosetta Stone collection from Supermemo. From more than 20 years ago, I finally went through the items. Now it's time for the second chapter, for the second phase. Cool. So I will just search Rosetta Stone in my collection. As you see that why on earth I didn't did that before. But now what I want is to take out everything that is on the branch that I just did. This is easy. Child, branch, 58. Not penny. I save this. I call it Rosetta. Okay. Now I do it again. 65. Okay, I have more. And now subset, subtract file. And the one I just did. Okay, so that's what I had. Those two are dummy. 1 second. Just 5. Okay, that's the one I was expecting. It's in process. I imported this 3 years ago. Fed speak, what is that? Monetary policy in the United States. How this is related to the Rosetta Stone. I'm perplexed. Afterward, this comes from what? And schooling rules from a book. Okay. No wonder, no connection there. Category theory, that looks like math. Okay. I imported this year. And augmented learning, I'm also interested. What's the relationship here? Okay, I have those 5. Just in case, I will save the contents in a subset in case I messed up. I will call it Rosetta already there, in case I lose it for whatever. So then I will search where it is. Augmented learning. Websites such as Rosetta Stone have been run for the Duolingo. It's because I think there's a website about language learning. Who is using this name? That's it. Okay. 1 second. Yeah, Black Friday. English, please. Yeah. I have seen the logo. Yeah. Okay, so I don't care about that. And the article is about what? Sorry? Augmented learning. Okay. False positive. Category theory. Okay, let's see what's the relationship here. Oh, so it's just one of the articles that is in the bibliography. Topology, logic, and computation of Rosetta Stone. Another one? Oh my god. So far, nothing good. This is from the book, on schooling. Let's see. Yeah, it's the website once again. Oh man. Nothing of value. Fed speak. Examples of green speak. The Fed has language of its own, and unfortunately the folks over at still have. Yeah. A false positive. Wow. So everything was a false positive. So the only thing I have is the one I already remember. Egyptian hieroglyphs. Now let me double check what it is exactly. The decipherment of writing was finally accomplished by the... Oh, so the stone was discovered at 1799, but it was not until the 20s that was fully deciphered. And who? We know that. Jean Francois, with the help of Rosetta Stone. So that is the link. Why now is black? Oh my god, so many links. Oh, it's quite at the start of the text. Hieroglyphs. Yeah, now if I want to dig more into this, there were some that were phonetic or alphabetic. Which one are alphabetic, all of that, but it won't be the case. I have more stuff. Here you go. There are more instances. I could just use F3 and it goes there. In the British Museum, this article was missing in the original flashcard. Was a breakthrough decipherment, writing system. Okay, so I will do this export, extract, decipherment. Oh, now that I see, there's a main article for that as well. But before that, let me check another one. Late period. Late Egyptian language. The Rosetta Stone contains 3 parallel scripts. I have a flashcard for that. Thematic, yeah, nothing new. So I can just delete that. So I save myself time in the future. Yeah, that's all. So now what I will do is the extract I just did. There's an article precisely just for the decipherment. Hello? Super slow. Who is that guy? Hey, I already know that guy. He's holding his list of phonetic. Hey, let me see the huge. Not that huge. Nothing conclusive. Okay. Oh, that's what I wanted. See, this corresponds to what? It's because I always liked about symbolism. That's why I started with kanji and hanzi of Japanese and Chinese. It's just that I don't have enough time. I have to select. Oh, totally recreation. Makes sense because if it's pictographic, it will need more space. There's less information per space, less dense. Makes sense. I didn't know it was from the bottom. So for one corner here, everything else was entire text. Nice. Look at that, cartouche. And that's how they did it. Because the pool selection was a lot more limited, so easier to decipher. This could have been awesome to do it. Imagine you are the first in history to realize this, that you feel like an archaeologist in an ancient civilization, that for whatever reason they're all dead. But they were so advanced from their time. And that's Cleopatra. Hey, it is PT. That king that I didn't want to remember. Something. Huh. Let me actually check. Not that I see the square and this thing. I'm curious. I don't know where it is, but I can go from my image registry. I know that if I put cartouche, that's the beauty of spending time naming files in the registry. No, it's a circle. No, it doesn't contain those shapes. Because I'm assuming it contains P and T. Doesn't look like that, but yeah. If I want to dig further, I will do it. Now this is below my importability threshold. It's not enough to import it in my collection. But I could entertain my curiosity and then play, oh, what will be my name or some other name I know. I know, yeah, makes sense, but other than that, no applicability. Nice. So I just did this step.